Okay, this is the P1 paper, January 2021. This is question number 2, which is equations and inequalities. This is a linear simultaneous equation. So let's have a quick look at it. It says exactly 3 years after it's planted, the height of a tree is 2. Exactly 5 years after it's planted, the height of the year tree is 2.4. And then it gives us this connection between height h and t years, and says, can we find the values of P and Q? Yeah, absolutely we can. All we need to do is to substitute, first of all, the information of 2 and 3 in. So I'm going to get 2 cubed is equal to P lots of 3 squared plus Q. That's going to give me 8 equals 9P plus Q. That's going to be equation number 1. Then I'm going to put in the second piece of information, 2.4 and 5. So I'm going to get 2.4 cubed is equal to P 5 squared plus Q. That works out to be 13.824 is equal to 25P plus Q. That's equation number 2. And then we can see, because we've got a Q here and a Q here, then we can just do 2 take away 1. Just explain to the examiner what I'm doing. 2 take away 1, and I'll get Q take away Q, 25P take away 9P, and that one take away that one. What's that going to give me then? That's going to give me 5.824 on this side is equal to 25 take away 9, 16P on that side. So P works out to be 5.824 divided by 16, which works out to be 0.364. So that's P. If I want to work out Q, I'm just going to put it back into equation 1. So in equation 1 here, I'm going to get that 8 is equal to 9 lots of P plus Q. I'm not going to do any work for that. You can work that out. Q works out to be equal to 4.72. So part A done, nice and easy, 4 dead straightforward marks for us there. Part B says exactly T years after the tree was planted, the height was 5. Can we find T? And we want it to 1 decimal place. Well, if we go, part B, if we go back to the original equation, which said that h cubed was equal to, and now I know what P and Q are. So instead of it being PT squared plus Q, it's going to be 0.364 T squared. And instead of plus Q, it's going to be plus 4.72 there. And now they're telling me H is equal to 5. So I'm going to get 125 is equal to 0.364 T squared plus 4.72. So 125 minus 4.72 is going to equal to 0.364 T squared. And so T squared is going to be that value divided by 0.364, which leads to T working out to be equal to 18.2, correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, nice easy question for question number 2.